Let's start with the new function, the second one, which is very popular. Most of the time we will use this function in our programming, strcpy. So this function is used to copy one string to another string. It is used to copy copies one string to another string. The syntax for this function, char then star, then strcpy is a pointer variable. Star means char star str1, comma, constant char star str2. So this is the syntax of this function. This function basically takes two arguments. This is the first argument and this is the second argument. It will be treated as a destination. The str2 will be treated as a source string, this is my destination string. So str is a destination string and str2 is a source string. So the return type of this function is pointer. So this function return the pointer to the destination string, or you can say that it return the destination string is 1. For example, if I take str, if I call this function strcpy, if I take lotus as a first string and jasmine is another flower name. So this is my destination string and this string will be override this source string lotus. So lotus will be lost. So I will get the output jasmine, or you can take any example. So if I take strcpy, for example, if I take str1, name of the string 1, and if I give the value hello, so it will, the str1, this string will hold the value hello. So output it hello. Here the output is jasmine. What I want to mean that this is my source string. Source string will be copied to the destination string. So if there is already string is specified, so it will overwrite the existing string, and if there is a no string is present in this array, then this string will be copied to this character array, and it will return the pointer to the destination string, or you can say that it can return the destination string s1. So that's all about this string copy function. It's a very popular and most of the time we will use in our programming language. So So do it, guys. This program demonstrates the example of strcpy function. So that is basically to copy one string to another string. So I have, in this example, I have taken two array, string array, character array, str1 and str2. Size of both string is 30. In first array, str1, I have just assigned a string COVID-19. You can look COVID-19, and I want to copy this string to this character array str2. So that's why I call a strcpy function. It's a inbuilt function in C programming, and header file, you know the header file string string.h is a header file where this function is kept. Then I call this function strcpy function. So this is my actually source and this is my destination. So after calling this function, this content of this string will be copied to this str2 array. Then I will display, to get the output, I have used the putS function to display the output of str2 after calling this function. So now check this function, how it is working. gcc strcpy dot c, this is my file name, minus o, then strcpy. For understanding, you can give any name. For example, if I give the name s, new name, as a exe file, it's well dot plus s. So output is COVID-19. So in this example, we have learned that we can use the strcpy function for copy one string to another string. So look at the syntax. So this is, first one is my destination. First one is, look at the syntax here. So first one is cat start restrict underscore destination, and second one is source. Okay, thank you. Let's start with the new function strcat for concatenation, string concatenation. This function used to concatenate two string, that is, it append one string at the end of specified string. The syntax, or you can say prototype of this function, is strcat scat function prototype, prototype, prototype char start name of the variable cat, then char start. This is my destination string and this is my source string. So it takes two arguments. So this is my first argument, this is my second argument. Second argument always is a source string and first argument always is a destination string, any string length any string function. So the two string, or we can say two character array, and the result will be stored after concatenating string in the first string specified in the argument. So what that means actually, this strcat function is actually join two string. So second string is appended at the end of first string. For example, if I use strcat So this is my first string, program, and this is my second string, mimg. So if I call this function, it will return programming. This is my first string. After that, this is my second string. So one string, this is my destination string, and this is my source string. So destination string will append to the end of first string. So this is actually the working principle or working of strcat function. So this function is commonly used, and we will see in our program with demonstrating this example in more details. Thank you guys.
Cat function. So look at this. So I have include the stdio.h, and as usual I have also include string.h to use the string cat function, strcat string cat function. I have taken two array, character array. First name of the array is str1, second one is str2. So the string is first this is, and second string is C programming. Then we use the concatenation function, concat strcat, then str1 comma str2. You know that concatenate str1 and str2, and the result string is stored in str1. So that is my actually source, and that is actually this is source, and this is my destination. So this then I have used the putS function to display the output of str1 and to display the output of str2. So and this is return 0, so return int return 0. So now I am compiling this program, gcc strcat, name of the file .c -o, file new file name strcat. So compilation is done. Now I am going to execute the program, strcat. So this is C programming. So what is the first string here? First string is this is, and what is the second string? C programming. So when I use the strcat string cat function, it's an inbuilt function, you already know that. So it is the second string is append to the end of first string. So output is, so the output is str is the final output. This is C programming. And what was the previous one? str, as it is C programming. So if I use the putS function str1, I will get the output. This is C programming, because after using strcat function, the destination the source string C programming is append to the end of str1. That's why I am getting the output. This is C programming. You can also check from the second example, put s str2, the remain same as it is the previous one. So it's just basically to demonstrate the example of strcat function in C. Thank you.